A for apple, red and sweet. B for ball, let's bounce to the beat. C for cat, it says meow. D for dog, it barks so loud. E for elephant, big and strong. F for frog, it hops along. G for grapes, purple or green. H for house, where we have been. I for ice cream, cold and yummy. J for juice, good for my tummy. K for kite, it flies so high. L for lion, king of the sky. M for monkey, swinging on trees. N for nest, for birds with ease. O for orange, juicy and round. P for parrot, whose voice astounds. Q for queen, wearing her crown. R for rainbow, colors all around. S for sun, shining so bright. T for train, speeding day and night. U for umbrella, in the rain. V for van, driving down the lane. W for watch, ticking away. X for xylophone, let's play today. Y for yak, so furry and tall. Z for zebra, striped for all. A to Z, we've learned them well. Now let's sing, dance, and tell.